Assalamu alaikum. So today we will discuss about the trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve is a fifth cranial nerve and it is a mixed nerve. Why it is called mixed nerve? Because it has both sensory and motor parts. So there are three branches of the trigeminal nerve which we denote with V1, V2 and V3. V1 is the ophthalmic nerve which is a pure sensory nerve. V2 is the maxillary nerve, it is also a sensory nerve, while V3 is the mandibular nerve and it has both the motor and sensory parts. So, the nucleus of trigeminal nerve is present at the level of pons. Imagine this is the brain stem, the upper part is midbrain, then pons and then the medulla. So, the nucleus of trigeminal nerve is present at the level of pons and it has two roots. S stands for sensory root and M stands for motor root, right? So, both the roots emerges from the pons and the sensory root makes a ganglion which is called trigeminal ganglion, while the motor root comes downward. The trigeminal ganglion then give rise to the V1, V2 and V3 and they all are the sensory division, while the motor division of V3 is here. It has further, we will discuss the pathway of the motor root of mandibular nerve later. Here we will discuss only the pathway of V1 which is the ophthalmic nerve, right? So V1 is the ophthalmic nerve which is the first division of trigeminal nerve. It enters into the cavernous sinus. Which wall of cavernous sinus? Lateral wall. So the V1 enters into the lateral wall of cavernous sinus and then it gives three branches: frontal, nasociliary and the lacrimal nerve, right? The lacrimal nerve supply the lacrimal gland, while the frontal nerve further divided into two branches, supratrochlear and the supraorbital nerve, right? And the nasociliary give rise to four branches: anterior ethmoidal, posterior ethmoidal, long ciliary nerve and the infratrochlear nerve, right? So you need to memorize only these divisions. There are more further branches, further small branches, but they are not included in your course. So you just need to memorize these important branches and the pathway of the ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve. Later we will discuss the V2 and V3 pathway. Thank you.